The Amazon doesn't run out of secrets, it simply chooses who hears them. Get ready for 10 jaw-dropping secrets hiding beneath the forest canopy. Number 10. Nature erases clues quickly. In the Amazon, time doesn't stand still, it devours. Within weeks, ruins, tracks, and clearings vanish under a curtain of growth. What we discover today might be swallowed tomorrow. Number 9. It's a hotbed of illegal trade. Beyond drugs and gold, the Amazon fuels a dark economy. Timber trafficking, exotic animal smuggling, and biopiracy of medicinal plants. These crimes often go unpunished, hidden by a web of corruption and remoteness. Number 8. Plants talk to each other in crisis. When attacked by insects, certain trees emit chemical signals warning nearby plants to boost their own chemical defenses. It's a botanical alarm system buried in the leaves. Number 7. Deforestation crisis. 17% of the Amazon has been destroyed in 50 years. If it reaches 20 to 25%, it could transform into a dry savanna irreversibly. Number 6. The real guardians are the indigenous peoples. Over 400 tribes reside within the rainforest, and their territories are statistically the most protected. Despite this, they face constant threats from land grabbers, illegal miners, and loggers. Yet they are the forest's strongest shield. Number 5. Boiling river that can cook small animals. The Timpishka River in Peru reaches 196 degrees Fahrenheit, 91 degrees Celsius, due to geothermal heating, hot enough to boil animals alive. Locals say it's cursed, but scientists are still studying what causes the extreme heat. Number 4. The forest floor is in perpetual darkness. Only 1 to 2% of sunlight reaches the ground, creating a dark, humid world where fungi and decomposers thrive. Number 3. Deadly and unique wildlife. Home to the green anaconda, the heaviest snake, which can grow up to 30 feet and weigh over 500 pounds. Jaguars, the largest rainforest cats, roam these lands. Poison dart frogs add a splash of color, while the electric eel can shock with up to 600 volts. Number 2. Largest rainforest on Earth. The Amazon covers 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles, spanning 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. It's about 40% of South America's total land area. Number 1. Lungs of the planet. Produces 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbs 2.2 billion tons of CO2 annually, playing a crucial role in fighting climate change. Which secret shocked you the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more top-notch countdown. See you in the next one.